ano mic niya? Maya pa yung hindi naman kasi ngayon, no? Prayer points. If you can confidence, we can stand on good health, with the confidence team, first encounter with God, attending. We can sit founders of control with regard to the word, and to also continue to help others praise for pastors, baptism, Lord Father God, we are praying for this upcoming conference po. Praying you giving strength and good health to the conference team, yung mga organized, Lord, yung mga nag-volunteers po doon. Fresh encounters, Lord, dun sa mga attend po nung conference, Lord. Mga church members po,